In this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord voice cutting out on Windows 11 following the latest 2026 updates. First, open your Discord settings by clicking the gear icon and head to Voice and Video. Scroll down to the Quality of Service section and toggle Enable Quality of Service High Packet Priority to On. This tells your Windows system and router to prioritize your voice data over other background downloads, which prevents lag-induced cutting. Next, check your input sensitivity. If the automatically determine input sensitivity toggle is on, your mic might be cutting out because the gate is set too high. Toggle it off and manually adjust the slider so that the bar stays in the green while you're speaking normally. This ensures Discord doesn't accidentally mute you mid-sentence. If you're still having issues, scroll down to the Advanced section and look for Audio Integrity Calibration, a new feature for 2026. Clicking this will prompt a Windows biometric check, like a fingerprint or PIN, to reauthorize the handshake between your mic hardware and the Windows kernel. This fixes the robotic voice bug caused by recent Windows security patches. Finally, if your voice cuts out specifically while gaming, turn off Hardware Acceleration at the bottom of the Advanced tab. This frees up GPU resources so Discord doesn't struggle to process your audio while your game is under heavy load. And that's it. Your audio should now be crystal clear. If this fixed your problem, please leave a like and subscribe for more Discord troubleshooting. Thanks for watching.